Hey guys, if you don't already know, I go by the name of Doubtfire, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Xbox Game Pass. So what you want to do is load up into your Xbox on your PC, mobile, wherever you play, and it's pretty easy. All you want to do is go ahead and click on your name and then go into settings. And then so right here we see that I do have a PC Game Pass that is expected to renew August 14th of this year, 2022. So we don't need it anymore, or we're taking a little break from playing any Xbox games. So just go ahead and manage. And I have it opening up on the other screen. You will have to log in. I'm going to move that screen over just as soon as my information clears out from here. Alright guys, so you see that I have the Microsoft 360, but we're interested in the PC Game Pass, and right now all you want to do is hit manage. So now we have the PC Game Pass screen right here, and we're just going to go ahead and cancel the subscription right at the bottom there. And then they're going to try to find out why you're trying to cancel, whatever. We don't care. We're going to go ahead and cancel the subscription. And they say goodbye for now. And that's anything you have linked with Microsoft will be on that page. So it might be helpful if there's something on there that you might want to cancel too. So if this video helped you out, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.